Aaliyah rolls two standard 6-sided dice. She notices that the product of the two numbers rolled is a multiple of 6. Which of the following integers cannot be the sum of the two numbers rolled? The choices are 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's list every pair of dice whose product is a multiple of 6. And write down each sum. 1 and 6 give a product of 6 and a sum of 7. 2 and 3 give 6. Sum 5. 2 and 6 give 12. Sum 8. 3 and 4 give 12. Sum 7. 3 and 6 give 18. Sum 9. 4 and 6 give 24. Sum 10. 5 and 6 give 30. Sum 11. And 6 and 6 give 36. Sum 12. So the sums we can actually get are 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Notice that 6 is missing from this list. Let's double check by looking at every pair that adds up to 6. 1 and 5 has product 5. 2 and 4 has product 8. 3 and 3 has product 9. None of these products is a multiple of 6. So a sum of 6 is impossible. Therefore the sum that cannot happen is 6. The answer is 6.